Give it a shot. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, my name is Benjamin Miles, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Modernized Startups, LLC.
And I'm Matt Sheehy, and I'm the Chief Engineering Officer. We specialize in custom designed and 3D printed advertisements. Today we're talking about one of our first clients, the radio station from University of New Haven, 88.7 WNHU.
The director, Bruce Barber, brought to our attention the need for microphone flags. Today we will tell the story of how we created them.
We use a 4-step method for making these mic flags. The first step was to visit the location and take detailed measurements of the mics they have on site. We then used a computer to turn these measurements into a detailed rendering of the microphone. The second step of the method was design. We first focused on the size and the shape of the object. You can see here we have a hexagon, we have squares, we have pentagons. We can even change the size. You can see it's a bigger and smaller square. Pretty much anything was possible. Eventually I went with a square design. You can see here, turned out really well. Next they sent us their logo, and we easily made that into a 3D object. WNHU decided to go with their standard colors of white, black, and red, and it turned out great. After WNHU decided to like the design, we move on to the third step, manufacturing. Using a 3D printer, we have access to many different colors and materials. Almost any color is possible for making these flags. Also, different materials are available too. There's things like color changing based on temperature. There's also glow in the dark. There's sparkly materials. There's even wood materials. So the possibilities are endless. The fourth step in the method is delivery. We use our proprietary attachment mechanism to attach the mics to the microphone. It uses a screw system that's very easy to use and is guaranteed to hold onto the mic without being able to take it off. It also has a nice magnetic cover that fits on the back side so you don't see anything inside.
Thank you for joining us.
If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, please visit our website, modernizedengineering.com.
Or you can visit us at modernizedstartups.com.